Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're gonna do logging a user out. Creating a logout logic is easy. The route should use unauthenticate the user and redirect to the home page instead of rendering any view. In Passport, unauthenticating a user is as easy as just calling rec.logout before redirecting. So app.route is equal to logout. We do a get request response function. And within the callback, we say rec.logout, and then we redirect the user to the root route. You may have noticed that we're not handling missing pages 404. The common way to handle this in Node is with the following middleware. So go ahead and add this in after all your other routes. So app.use, request, response, next. If the response of the status is 404, then we type text and we send not found. So we want to submit our page, and when you think you've got it right, if you're running into errors, you can check out here. All right, so we're actually doing two things here. We're going to create a route for logout, which we already created the view for, even though we couldn't see it. And then we're also going to handle 404s, which are kind of two different things. But, you know, it's not that crazy. So our profile thing was the last time we were using it. So what I'm going to do down here is I'm just going to add this route logout here. So scooch this over a bit, and we'll jump this out. Yeah, and so now we've got our logout in there, and really all we have to do is make sure we go app.use. In the case of a 404, we can jump this up. So in 404, we use text not found, and submit your page when you're complete. I'm not sure if there's anything that we need to do otherwise than paste those into here, and this is all happening within our database authentication. So I'm guessing that that's the right thing to do. So I'm just saving that there. There's no real way we can't log in and we can't log out a user. So there's no way to triple check our work to see if this is what we're supposed to do. So I'm just going to save it. And then the way we're going to see if we can pass the test is we're going to go get add, and we're going to say get commit, and we're going to add two commit messages in there. One, we're going to add logout route, and we're also going to add 404 error handling route. And then we're going to push that up. So get push Heroku master. Yeah, and so our server's restarting already because we saved the changes in here. Oop, Heroku, not Heroku's. And so once this is pushed up, then we should be able to take our Desolate Savannah, which is the project name, and yeah, we'll do that once it's done pushing our code to this Heroku server. Okay, once the verification is completed, we can either take the URL here or we can take the working one up here. It's the same thing, it doesn't matter. And we'll take it down to the solution link and see how that worked. Awesome. That worked out. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.